Usually there are two types of air filters in a vehicle. Engine air filter is for filtering air for engine. Cabin air filter for filtering air for passengers. This air filter is from Amazon.com. ECOGARD is the name of this cabin air filter. There are instructions given for this air filter. These instructions can be read and understand. This cabin air filter is made in Malaysia. Airflow direction is shown on side of air filter. This vehicle cabin air filter is behind the glove box. There are two tabs on both sides of glove box. Two tabs can be removed. Rotate the tabs counterclockwise to remove. Remove the glove box hanger. Pinch the tabs to remove air filter cover. There are blower motor and blower fan. This old cabin air filter is dirty. This cabin air filter was due for change for long time. When vehicle is driven on dusty conditions frequently, cabin air filter need more inspection and replacement. This is new cabin air filter. Airflow direction is downwards. Arrow mark is shown on cabin housing. Reinstall cabin air filter cover. Here click sound. Make sure air filter is secure. Reinstall glove box hanger. Turn the tabs clockwise direction to reinstall glove box.